It's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your activity feed and your game so people can't see what you're doing on your Xbox One. This is really easy to do. So here's the setting. Others can see your activity feed. Decide who can see what you post to your activity feed. So you have the option for everybody, friends, or you can completely block it so nobody can see your activity feed. Now to get to this setting, it's really easy. We can go back to the home screen here, press R1 and tab on over to our profile, then go down to settings. Now under here, let's go to account, then go to the right and go to privacy and online safety. Type in your passkey if you got one, then go to Xbox privacy right on the top. Then scroll on down to view details and customize. Then go to communication and multiplayer. Go to the right, and here is others can see your activity. So let's set this to block or friends only. So if you don't want random people seeing your activity feed, or you don't want your friends seeing what you're doing, just set it to block. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.